Power outages are an inconvenient reality. They can strike unexpectedly, plunging our homes into darkness and disrupting our daily lives. From severe weather events to equipment failures, the causes are numerous. While some outages are short-lived, others can last for hours, days, or even weeks. Being prepared is not just about comfort, it's about safety and well-being. Imagine a scenario. A fierce storm rages outside, knocking out power lines. Darkness descends and your familiar world is thrown into disarray. The refrigerator hums to a stop, cell phones lose signal, and the comforting glow of electronics disappears. This is the reality of a power outage, and it highlights the importance of being prepared. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to navigate power outages with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned prepper or just starting, these practical tips and insights will help you weather the storm, ensuring the safety and well-being of yourself and your loved ones. Remember, being prepared empowers you to face the unexpected with resilience and resourcefulness. A well-stocked emergency kit is your lifeline during a power outage. It should contain essential items to help you survive for at least 72 hours, if not longer. Keep these supplies organized and easily accessible in a designated location, such as a sturdy backpack or plastic storage bin. Water is paramount for survival. Store at least 1 gallon of water per person per day, considering both drinking and sanitation needs. Food is equally crucial. Stock up on non-perishable items that require no cooking or refrigeration, such as canned goods, energy bars, and dried fruits. A first aid kit is indispensable for addressing injuries and medical emergencies. Include bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and any personal medications. A hand crank weather radio provides access to vital information, including weather updates and emergency broadcasts. When the lights go out, illumination becomes paramount. Keep a variety of light sources readily available. Flashlights are essential for individual use, while lanterns provide broader illumination for larger areas. Stock up on extra batteries to ensure continuous operation. Communication is vital during emergencies. A battery-powered or hand-crank weather radio keeps you informed about weather updates, evacuation orders, and other crucial information. Consider a solar-powered phone charger to keep your mobile device powered up, allowing for communication with the outside world. Candles can provide a source of light and a sense of warmth, but use them cautiously. Never leave candles unattended, and keep them away from flammable materials. Consider investing in LED candles for a safer and longer-lasting alternative. Maintaining proper food and water supplies is essential for surviving extended power outages. Store a rotating stock of non-perishable food items that require no cooking or refrigeration. Canned goods, energy bars, dried fruits, nuts, and peanut butter are excellent choices. If you rely on refrigeration for medication or have dietary restrictions requiring refrigeration, consider investing in a portable refrigerator or cooler. These devices can keep contents cold for extended periods using ice packs or a power source like your car battery. Learn basic cooking techniques that don't require electricity. A camp stove or outdoor grill can be used safely outdoors to prepare meals. Familiarize yourself with these methods and ensure you have adequate fuel or propane on hand. Section 5. Warmth and comfort. Beating the cold. Power outages during colder months can lead to dangerously low temperatures inside your home. It's crucial to have a plan to stay warm and comfortable. Dress in layers of warm clothing and consider thermal underwear for added insulation. Blankets and sleeping bags provide warmth and comfort. Wool blankets are particularly effective at retaining heat. Have enough on hand for everyone in your household. Consider investing in emergency blankets, which are compact and designed to reflect body heat. If you have a fireplace, ensure it is clean and in working order. Stock up on firewood or alternative heating sources like propane heaters. Always use caution when operating these devices indoors and ensure proper ventilation to prevent carbon monoxide buildup. Section 6. First Aid and Hygiene. Staying healthy without power. Maintaining hygiene and addressing medical needs are crucial during power outages. Your first aid kit should be well stocked and readily accessible. Include essential items like bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, gauze, and any personal medications. Hand sanitizer becomes vital when soap and water are unavailable. Keep a large bottle or multiple smaller bottles in your kit and encourage frequent use, especially before handling food or eating. Wet wipes can be used for personal hygiene needs when showering is not an option. Store an adequate supply of any prescription medications you or your family members rely on. Keep a list of medications, dosages, and your doctor's contact information readily available in case you need to seek medical attention. Section 7. Entertainment and boredom busters. Power outages can be particularly challenging for families with children. Boredom can set in quickly, leading to frustration and restlessness. Having a plan to keep everyone entertained is essential for maintaining morale. Board games, card games, and puzzles are excellent low-tech entertainment options. Gather a variety of games suitable for different ages and interests. Books, magazines, and coloring books can also provide hours of entertainment and distraction. Encourage creativity and imagination. Engage children in storytelling, charades, or other activities that don't require electricity. Use this time to connect as a family and create lasting memories, even in the face of adversity. Section 8. Security and safety during blackouts. Power outages can create opportunities for criminal activity, as darkness provides cover for potential intruders. Take steps to enhance your home security and ensure your family's safety. Keep doors and windows securely locked at all times. If you have a security system, ensure it has a backup power source, such as a battery or generator. Consider installing motion sensor lights around your property to deter potential intruders. Familiarize yourself with the operation of any firearms you may own and practice safe handling techniques. Be cautious when interacting with strangers, especially at night. If you must venture outside, do so with a buddy and carry a flashlight or headlamp. Trust your instincts and report any suspicious activity to the authorities. Section 9. Advanced Preparedness, Powering Up Off-Grid. For those seeking a higher level of preparedness, consider investing in alternative power sources to keep essential appliances running during extended outages. A portable generator can provide electricity for lights, refrigerators, and other critical devices. Solar panels offer a renewable energy solution, harnessing the power of the sun to generate electricity. While solar panel systems require a more significant upfront investment, they provide long-term cost savings and energy independence. Learn basic home maintenance skills such as resetting circuit breakers and identifying potential electrical issues. This knowledge can be invaluable during a power outage, potentially helping you restore power or troubleshoot problems. Section 10. Staying informed. Monitoring the situation. Staying informed about the nature and duration of a power outage is crucial for making informed decisions. Keep a battery-powered or hand-crank weather radio readily available to receive weather updates, emergency broadcasts, and information from local authorities. Download a reliable weather app on your smartphone and ensure you have a way to keep your device charged, such as a solar-powered charger or a car adapter. Stay connected with neighbors and check on elderly or vulnerable individuals in your community. Follow local news outlets and social media channels for updates on the outage, restoration efforts, and any available resources. By staying informed, you can better assess the situation and adjust your preparedness plans as needed. Section 11. Conclusion. Embrace preparedness. Empower yourself. Power outages are an inevitable part of life, but they don't have to be debilitating experiences. By embracing preparedness, you empower yourself and your family to face these challenges with confidence and resilience. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way. Start by assembling a basic emergency kit and gradually expand your supplies over time. Familiarize yourself with the tips and strategies outlined in this guide and practice your preparedness plan regularly. The more prepared you are, the more confident and self-reliant you will feel when the lights go out. Remember, preparedness is not about living in fear, but about taking control and ensuring your well-being. By taking proactive steps today, you can navigate the unpredictable darkness of tomorrow with knowledge, resourcefulness, and a sense of calm.